So the big brokerage call of the day, Goldman Sachs has upgraded Tata Consumer to a buy rating and also hiked the target price to 1,200 rupees. Harsh joining us with that big brokerage report. Harsh, what is Goldman Sachs saying?
Yeah, I mean, 20% upside is what they see from here. They're saying that the headwinds of the last year or two likely are receding. And I'll quickly take you through that. One, they believe that factors which have caused a problem over the last couple of years, one, recovery, sharp increase in tea input costs, competitive headwinds in the ready-to-drink beverages segment, and EPS dilution post the acquisition of Capital Foods. Mind you that was also a debt-laden acquisition which has in fact increased interest costs on the P&L. But what could lead to that EPS growth, FY26-27, and they are expecting a 3 to 7% increase in that EPS number, Goldman Sachs. One, recovery in tea margins with price hikes likely. Second, a strong innovation and distribution expansion on growth businesses, and I'll talk a little bit about that as well, but lower net interest cost as acquisition debt starts to get paid down. Now, in terms of the new growth businesses, they believe that a scale up there is likely to happen. This is around 27% of the top line of Tata Consumer, expected to grow at 25 to 30% CAGR over the medium term. Competitive pressure is likely the big risk here overall, and they believe that the worst, even with regard to competitive pressure, is likely behind where Tata Consumer is concerned. EPS estimates, as I mentioned, hiked by 3 to 7%. They're rolling forward their SOTP valuation as well, and therefore the target price increase, very solid 20% upside.
Okay. Tata Consumer, Goldman Sachs is excited. Chandan, quick view on Tata Consumer?
Yes, positive view on the consumption theme, and Tata Consumer has seen the decent run up in last 3-4 days. It witnessed a V-shaped recovery. So I believe with support of 985, it can head towards 1040, 1060 levels.